Dust baths, also called dusting, dirt baths, or sand bathing, are part of a bird's preening and plumage maintenance that keeps feathers in top condition. The dust that is worked into the bird's feathers will absorb excess oil to help keep the feathers from becoming greasy or matted. The oil-soaked dust is then shed easily to keep the feathers clean and flexible for more aerodynamic flight and efficient insulation. Dry skin and other debris can also be removed with excess dust, and regular dusting may help smother or minimize lice, feather mites, and other pests.